Okay, so we got these gifted for our 6-year-old for Christmas, and I want to show you how fun they are, because why the heck not? So we're gonna hold the button down for it to turn on. Wow, that's bright. It has multiple colors. If you press it twice, it goes into strobe mode. I'm not gonna do that for specific reasons. If you press it 3 times, it turns the sound off. And then if you hold it down, it turns it off. It's so cool. But the cool thing that I think is it comes with this connector that goes into the bottom. So slide it right into the grooves. So many things in my house are going to be broken, but I'm going to have a very happy 6-year-old. And a very happy husband too. But I mean, these are so cool. Ah!